Alright guys, so this is day 3, maybe day 4, working on this trailer here. Yesterday I got the tongue all welded up and put on here. So today, this is going to be a utility trailer first. I need to use it for a trip coming up here in a couple weeks. And then after that I'm going to convert it to a teardrop. But for now, what I want to do is put rail on this. I think maybe 2 feet high. I haven't quite decided. This new blade that I put on here is working a treat. It cuts through steel just like butter. I'll leave a link for that down in the description in case you want it. It works way better than abrasive wheels and you don't end up with all that dust. So yeah, let's get into it.